Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to find the value of x of this equation 3 power x plus 4 power x equal to 5 power x. So let's see the answer. So here first writing the given 3 power x plus 4 power x equal to 5 power x. So here when x equal to 2, so 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2, 5 power 2. 3 power 2 that is 9, 4 power 2 16 and 5 power 2 25. So here you can get 16 plus 9 25, 25 equal to 25. So here if you have option A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 0 and D equal to none. So you can directly here take on the 2 because 25 is equal to 25. Now when next I'm going to prove, so x has the only one solution that is equal to 2. So here writing again 3 power x, 4 power x. So here 4 power x, 5 power x. So here on the right hand side 5x 5 power x is there. So let's divide on the both side 5 power x. So 3 power x, 4 power x divided by 5 power x equal to 5 power x divided by 5 power x. So it cancel by one time. Now here we can write 3 power x, 3 power x divided by 5 power x, 4 power x divided by 5 power x equal to 1. After that here we can write 3 by 5 power x and here 4 by 5 power x equal to 1. 3 by 5x plus 4 by 5x power x and 1 moving on the left, so minus 1 and equal to 0. Now thereafter here let's write here function fx 3 by 5 power x and here 4 by 5 power x minus 1. So let's do the differentiation. So f that's x equal to, so here in the side writing differentiation of a power x dx, that is ax log a. So here writing 3 by 5 power x log 3 by 5 log here thereafter 4 by 5 power x differentiation 4 by 5 power x log 4 by 5 1 differentiation that is 0. So not going to write. Now after that here let's take 3 by 5 this side and here 4 by 5. So 3 by 5, so here 3 by 5 that's equal to 0.6. So obviously 0.6 or greater than 0 but less than 1. The same thing 4 by 5, so here this come 0.8. So this greater than 0 but less than 1. After that here let's include the log. So log 0 log 3 by 5 log 1. The same thing log 0 log 4 by 5 and here log 1. So here log 0 that is undefined, Now this is log 3 by 5. Log 1 value is now 0. Log 0 undefined, here writing log 4 by 5 and log 1 0. So here log 4 by 5, that comes 0 less than 0, and here 3 by 5, anything f in x greater than 0, then here you can get the positive value. So 3 by 5 positive, x when x is the positive, so here you can get positive. Now there is thereafter here you can see 3 by 5 equal to 0.6, and here log 3 by 5. So log 3 by 5, so suppose here this value come on the negative. So suppose here 0.111111 something, it's come there. So when you include 3 by 5 and log 3, so negative and positive, that come negative. Okay, so here 0.6 and minus 0.111 something, this is assumption of log 3 by value. So here this is the negative, so it also come negative. Suppose 0.666, it come negative. So that here, so that 3 by 5, so this is the positive, but here log 3 by 5 negative, so it all less than 0. The same thing 4 by 5, so same thing, this is here 4 by 5.8 greater than 0, but if n multiply with minus, so log 4 by 5 less than 0, so multiply with minus, so it become minus 0.8 something, okay, blah blah blah. So this here 4 power 5x log 4 by 5 less than 0, so both less than 0. So here f dash x, this value is now less than 0, here this less than 0. So here we can write f dash x less than 0. So here we can write f decreasing, the value is decreasing, so it's less than 0, so the value is decreasing. Now x is equal to 2 is the only one answer, only one answer of this question. So it's proved. So one time going to repeat. So 3 by 5 power x, so this is the positive and this come negative, so positive negative negative. So here this negative, here this positive, this negative. So negative positive, that is equal to, here this is equal to negative. So negative, so that here f dash x, the value is now decreasing, so that decreasing value, so x, so decreasing value, that's not the real. Okay, so that here x equal to 2 is the only one solution of this question. So this is the way we can find the value of x and prove x equal to 2 is the only one answer of this question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.